Good morning, ma'am. I am Salma Farhat from Triple B section. Today I am going to give a seminar on uh, technical paper writing and IPR on the topic of objectives in technical paper writing. Introduction to objectives in technical paper writing. Understanding the objectives is crucial for effective technical communication. Uh, Clear objectives guide the structure and content of the paper. They help readers quickly grasp the purpose and scope of the research. So, key objectives of PowerPoint template there are some few key objects. Objective number one. This is simple and there are few key objectives. So this side besides the picture. While coming to purpose of defining objectives, objectives provide direction for the research and writing process. So this provide a path for writing a research path. These they help in establishing the importance and relevance of the study. So while they establish means they reveal what is the importance of study and what about the paper is. Well defined objective facilitates the evaluation of the paper success. Types of objectives in technical paper. There are some different types of objectives. There are general objectives, specific objectives, like that. So while coming to general objectives, outline objectives outline the board goal of the research. Like these are outline on the board like our goal is to research that. So general objective is for overall, and specific objective specify particularly outcomes or steps to achieve the goal. um, both both types are essential for clarity and focus of the paper. So in picture you can see that research objectives structured around SMART criteria and designed to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. All these measures come under to the types of objectives and objectives in what are the objectives we need to follow. So here are the characteristics of well-written objectives. They are clear, concise, and ambiguous. Objectives are achievable within the scope of the research. They are measurable, allowing for assessment of progress and success. The objective should be clean, clear, and clarity, which should be understand to the other people. Characteristics of well-written objectives. List a quantified standard of performance. States goal in measurable terms. Should be challenging but realistic. It should be challengeable and it should be realistic. Designates a clear time frame. Developing effective objectives. Start by identifying the problem or gap in the existing knowledge. How we can develop a effective objective means we can identify the problem, where the problem is occurring, and what we have to do. For developing, use action verbs to specify what will be accomplished. For example, by using action verbs to specify that what will be accomplished. Ensure objectives align with the overall research questions and hypothesis. So here are the some essential technical writing skills: collaboration and teamwork, design, critical thinking, signal source selection, UK development, communication, technical expertise, knowledge, technology management, and research. Examples of technical paper writing. Examples of technical paper writing. To analyze the efficiency of a new algorithm in data processing. We are writing a paper on something that we have followed, or we have noticed, or we have observed. So we have to write in an algorithm, and or in flowchart. We can use flowcharts, algorithms. uh, Examples of technical paper writing objectives. So to analyze the efficiency of a new algorithm in data processing, to compare the performance of different materials under stress, to develop a prototype that addresses a specific engineering challenge. So under this uh, we have to come over from all the test cases, and all after that we have to build a prototype on that. And so here are few key points of technical paper writing: title, abstract, keywords, introduction, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, and references. So for writing a perfect technical paper, so these are the few key points which we have to keep under our notice. So role of objectives in structuring the paper. What is the role means? Objectives inform the organization of sections and subsections. They help in establishing logical flow and coherence. Clear objectives make it easier for readers to follow the research narrative. Like organization Like objectives inform the organization of sections and subsections. Like it has some sections and subsections. They help in establishing like logical flow. For this, after this will happen, like that. Clear objectives make it easier for the readers to follow the research narrative. So, what are the common mistakes we made, which have to avoid by writing technical paper? Vague language or overly broad objectives that lack focus. Like we should not use the words like should not, may, might be, like that words. We should not use objectives that are impossible to achieve within the scope of this study. So we have to write what is what and what is the for example, we take motors. So what is the motor and what is the motor works? uh, so what is the scope of the motor? So we have to write what is what of the study. Failing the align objectives with the research methods and outcomes. So these are few common mistakes we have to avoid while writing objectives. Revising and refining objectives. Revisit objectives after initial research to ensure they remain relevant. So after our completion of our research, we have to revisit our objectives, that it should match to our uh, project, or that should it match to our paper, and which remains relevant. It should be relevant to the project paper and our project. Refine objectives for clarity and specificity as project develops. So it should maintain clear and clarity. Seek feedback from peers and mentors to improve their effectiveness. So after revisit and refining, we have to take feedback from our peers or mentors, so they can make our paper more effectively. Conclusion and best practices. Clearly defined objectives are fundamental to successful technical paper writing. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bounded. Properly crafted objectives enhance the clarity, impact, and credibility of your paper. So, while coming to conclusion, while writing our paper, the objective should be clean, clear, and understand. It should be understand to the reader. While reading, the reader must be understand. They should be specific. The objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bounded. Like um, Properly crafted objectives enhance the clarity, impact, and credibility of your paper. Thank you.